Yeah, you do that. Whatever. We'll see what happens. I feel like that was a bad color choice. Yeah, stop it. Yeah, that was a bad color choice.
This is bloopers?
This is real life. This is real mistakes right here. Coming to you live. This ain't bloopers. This ain't even an intro to the video.
Bloopers are real mistakes.
Yeah, but this is gonna be in here though.
What number is that? 12.
Yeah, 12. What's up? Welcome to the video. Alright, so this is the first one. We're gonna see how it looks. This whole time what we're doing is kind of just seeing the outline, making sure the location is good, because that's kind of the biggest deal when it comes to this, and we're doing it by hand, so I think it's gonna look good. We'll see what happens in 2 minutes and 35 seconds, but let's just let this cook up real quick, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Okay, so the first hoodie is complete. I think it looks absolutely fire. It looks exactly how I wanted to in my head. I'm now gonna do the other ones. Right now I'm working on the black. So my plan for the embroidery is that each one is gonna get a different color. So the blacks are gonna get gray. That one just finished. The navies are gonna get a different form of blue. The red's gonna get its own red. The salmon's gonna get its own salmon, and then this mustard is gonna get its own form of yellow. So each one is gonna kind of be not of one, but if you were to buy a yellow hoodie and a red hoodie, it'll be more than just a different color hoodie. You'd have different color embroidery, and the back may be a little different too. So now I'm just working on this. It's coming along pretty good. The only issue that we're running across right now is that the check locations are different on each size. So it's looking like I'm gonna have to do them like only mediums at a time, only smalls at a time, because if I do like we just try to do a large and an extra large, the and the fame would be different on each one, seeing how there's just two different sizes on the actual garment. So that's the only issue we're running into now. So this is gonna take a little longer than expected, but as of right now it's looking like a W. Last but not least, we have the mustard color. So like I said earlier, we do have to do each hoodie one by one. I thought I could put like 2 mediums at the same time, but that wasn't working out. So the yellow is gonna get black. I finished every other color. Let me show you guys that right now. So I know I said earlier in the video I was gonna do red with red, peach with peach, navy with navy, but it was a little too clashy, so I ended up doing different colors. Each one is still different though. So the navy kind of has like a little tan color. This is gonna get steamed out, by the way, so don't really focus on that. The black got gray. The maroon got a tan color. There's only one of this hoodie, so it's a size large. If you want to DM me and you're watching this video, I'll sell it to you even before the 13th, because this video is going up. So DM me if you want this hoodie, size large, one of one. On the red, it's kind of a different brown. It's different than the navy. As you see, the navy is kind of like a sand color, and then the red is more of a like a hazelnut brownish. But I think that one looks really nice. This one is only gonna get this, so this is a complete design. I'm done with that. All right, so before we start screen printing everything, I kind of wanted to lay everything out and show you guys what we have. So we have the hunter green hoodie that also comes in red. That's over there. That's gonna get this design. This is actually gonna be an outline in white, but that's how that film looks right there. And then next we have the 2-in-1 jacket, the staple, the most fire piece that WayBeforeTheFame is gonna release this year. So you have the reversible vest, and this is like that thermal material, so this is super cozy. Then you have this cream jacket with the hood right here. It's gonna get the sleeve hit. And then we have the hoodies that come in red, mustard, navy. Next, we're gonna get these onto the screens, and then we're gonna screen print everything. So pretty happy about that. I just want to show you guys what it looks like before, you know, show you guys some more behind the scenes. So this is just the film. This now has to go on the screen, and then when it gets on the screen, it goes onto here, and then we screen print it. So let me bring this back so we get this on the screen. And then now we're gonna start working on the screen printed hoodies. So he's just sizing that up right now. We're gonna do the Christmas colors. These are gonna come out absolutely fire. We're going with white on these hoodies, so these are gonna be good. I can't wait for this to be done. And then last but not least, we have to work on the good old white jacket and vest. So we're saving the best for last, because this one is, you know, is the money piece. These jackets are $100 each. Everything else is going pretty smoothly. Like I said, these are all the pieces. I just gotta steam these over there. But as of right now, let's go over here and catch up on the screen printing job. Are you kidding me right now? Nike, if anyone from Nike is watching this video, send me some blanks, bro. Like, come on. You guys are putting this outlet for like 20, 30 bucks. Send me something. I'll do something fire. You know what I mean? We'll do a little pop-up in New York. It's like there's no way that you're watching this right now and you think this looks bad. I can't imagine one of you guys watching this and being like, nah, this looks whack. Maybe you could say it's not for you, you wouldn't wear it, but does it look bad? Is the execution bad? You guys are not telling me execution is bad. I know I'm talking shit right now, but they're coming out of the oven right now. I think they look fire. Okay, so now we're on to the second screen printed design. So we have the big WBTF, and then we got the Nike check right in the middle. I think this is a pretty clean design for the back. It's kind of like a spine tattoo, something like that. That was kind of like my inspiration for this. The navy and black, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not crazy about. I was gonna do more of a like brownish to match the front, but I felt like if the cleanest way to do it would just be this. It's more wearable. All right, now it's time to do the red and mustard. I'm gonna do this one the opposite colorway. So it's gonna have a white check with black letters instead of the difference of the navies. I think these are gonna look fucking fire. And I'm happy I switched it up because I think the way I had it was good, but I kind of want it to be a little more unique. So that's how these are coming out. Okay, so unfortunately we're not gonna be able to finish the white jackets today, but I do have the screen set up for tomorrow, so that's gonna be the sleeve hit. And then right here we have the vest, so that's what I'm gonna put on the vest. Pretty happy with everything that I got done today. I'm not sure if this video is gonna end here. I'm gonna add tomorrow's footage, but if it does end here, peace, thanks for watching. If not, see you guys in a second. Okay, so we are back in the shop. Right now we're gonna start doing the vest, and the last thing to do are the jackets. So this jacket, like I said, I'm gonna put WayBeforeTheFame on the sleeve, and then this one is gonna get the WBTF filled in, the opposite of how the hoodies looked. I'd be lying if I said I'm not really nervous right now, because these jackets, as you know, go for like $115 each, and I'm about to quote unquote damage them. I'm doing it right now. Let's see how it looks. All right, so as you see, what I was worried about is that the jacket's a little puffy, if that makes sense. I mean, maybe you guys might like it, but I'm not gonna put this on all the jackets. I'm not gonna do that because I don't love it. This is gonna be a one of one. But now we're just gonna do the sleeve. So I guess my only design on this jacket is gonna be this. I'm gonna leave this blank, although I could do vinyl like he was just saying and put vinyl would look good. I'm just not a fan of vinyl at all. And then I could do embroidery, but then that person won't be able to wear it reverse. So I'm gonna just leave the vest the way it is right now. Okay, so the L actually gets worse, but we're not even gonna talk about this. But right now we're gonna try to do the sleeves. This should be pretty straightforward. I guess my only concern is like extra ink getting on it and like it being stained. But while I was pulling them out, I realized that this size small right here is like kind of dirty. So I'm gonna try to clean this up with some, I don't even know what, but it's kind of dirty already. So I might only have one small available. I might have to give this to like one of my homies or something if they want it. But we are now going to do the very first sleeve. Hopefully it comes out fine. Hopefully there's no mistakes or anything happen.
What?
Oof. The L's continue for this jacket right now. So this one accidentally touched, but besides that, it does look pretty good. We're gonna try to clean this out. If not, there's just gonna be a really damaged jacket right now. This is again a size large though, so like if that one is damaged, and then this one just burned. Like I don't even want to talk about this one. This one is, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but like that's how it's supposed to look, nice and white, and it literally just burned in the oven. Not a good start. Not a good start. The most expensive piece here. But yeah, that's what I meant by like quote unquote damage it. But I'm gonna put this one to the side. Like I said, it does look good. If this didn't touch, it would have looked perfect. So we're gonna try to clean this up and see what happens. All right, so the jackets are now coming along great. Besides the first hiccup, which I usually always do the first sample in a size large, just so if it does mess up, I'd still wear it. But here's how your jacket would look. Nice and sharp. Here's another one that just came out the oven. nice and sharp again. So unfortunately there was no saving this jacket. What I'm gonna do is just put another Way Before the Fame here to kind of cover it, I guess. Here's my attempt of saving that jacket that got messed up. So it's kind of fun being able to be at the shop, and that way I'm able to like do stuff like this. So instead of just taking a complete L, I didn't cover it, as you can see. I wait till it comes out the oven so I can show you better. But as you see, I did a nice little double hit. It's probably gonna look fire actually, but I kind of covered up the stains a bit. That way it looks a little more creative, so I'm not like, I don't want to wear a jacket and people like, yo, your jacket's dirty. So that's kind of it for this video. That's kind of it for the collection. We're gonna go home now, take the product pics. I already started. I'm gonna put those on the screen right now.
J.O., is that you? J.O., is that you?
But thanks for watching this Friday. I'm gonna go post this video right away so I can get this all done. And don't forget, this Sunday, 12 o'clock,